Oh, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to review this, which is a air duster. So I was looking to get some canned air to clean my computer out because my computer's got a bit dusty, as I'll show you in a bit. And I thought it was £4 for a can of air, I think, which they don't last that long. So I thought, why don't I look for a duster, an air duster, like something that will work rechargeable, etc, etc. So I've been on Amazon and I found this one, and it was $19.95. Comes with quite a few bits, so I'm going to unbox this and then we'll try it. I'm going to try and blow my keyboard out, or I'm going to do my computer as well, but I'm just going to test it on my keyboard first and see how strong it is. So we'll unbox this, see what we get in it, and then see how it works. So let's see what we get in the box. I'll pull the bits out. Ooh, no. So we get an instruction manual, which is, I imagine there's not much to instruct on it. Being a man, I don't really read these, but so yeah, instruction manual, and then we've got quite a few attachments. They look like mini Hoover attachments, to be honest. Got one there with a brush on. We've got an actual brush, bit of a tube, nice, very stiff nylon brush there. Very long cone, short cone. Oh, that long one has, I don't know if you can see that, has holes on either side, so it blows sideways, I presume. And then of course we've got a charging cable, and then we've got the gun itself. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a mini hairdryer. It's got some markings on the side there, so there's only level settings on it. I believe you keep it pressed. There we go. It doesn't work like that. And then you keep it pressed again, it turns it off. Obviously got a USB cable for charging. It's got a USB C port in the back for charging. So if we put one of these on, let's put the small thing on like that. Let's see what sort of power we get out of it. If you can hear me over this, it's not bad. Try the next one. Whoa, yeah. Yeah, that is pretty impressive, to be honest. Yeah, that's a pretty impressive blow it's got on it. Let's so obviously you can put one on. No, that doesn't go on. It goes on like that. So you can have a big end on it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty impressive, that. That's good. We've got a little Hoover type one here. This must be for getting in your crevices. Well, not your crevices, but two crevices. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get my keyboard. Go over to my keyboard and I'll try the brush, and I'll try one of these, and let's see how it goes on. I'll take a couple of the other brushes over to try them as well. Let's see how it works on that. So this is my keyboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a brush with a stiff brush first. See, there's quite a bit of dust on it and stuff, but nothing major. So we're going to be looking at underneath. We've got this one with a brush on the end, so let's try this first. Oh yeah, good, yeah. Ah, hey, that is good, that. That is really cleaning it out, that. Because you can't always get between the crevices. Okay. I'm going to try putting this on the cone and give it a good blast. I'm going to put it on full wax, you might not be hearing me. try that big one as well. Try this one. You can hear that as it's hitting it. Oh, it's not going to be strong because it's not as narrow. Just have a look at this now. God, that is really clean. That, I don't know if you can see that in between the gaps and everything, but it is really clean. It's done a great job, that. Yeah. Okay, I've tested it on that, so I'm going to try it on my computer. Let's see what it does for the dust in that. I'll show you the dust in that because there is quite a bit of dust in that. So, I don't know if you can see properly. Can you see the dust in there? And those gratings. Let's get a bit closer. Oh, it's full of crud, full of it. So I'm going to switch this off. Take the side casing off, and then I'm going to take it outside and give it a blow through with this. What I don't want to do is hit the fans, because I have seen it on YouTube where they broke the fans by letting it take the fans off the bearings basically because of the power in it, but we'll take it outside and see how it works. This is what it looks like afterwards. As you can see, completely clean. Literally took 2 or 3 seconds, that was all to get that clean. So there we go, that's how it works. Great little piece of kit. It is the VC018 Air Duster Power Deep Cleaning Cordless Electric. There's no particular make on it as such, it's like a generic thing, made in China obviously, but you know what, it does the job and I'm very made up with it. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get it from. If you want to leave any comments, please do. Like this content if you think it was okay, and I'll see you in the next video.